How to fix my Samsung phone stopped charging. So if your Samsung phone stopped charging, then here are the ways through which you can fix your problem. So the first thing you need to do is check your charger. If you're using an official charger or not. So check for the damage of that charger, try a different cable or plug, and try a different power source, and your problem might be fixed. And the second thing you need to do is clean the charging port. So first, power off your device, shine a torch into the charging port and look inside. If you can see dirt or dust, especially if it is covering the metal charging contacts, the charging port needs cleaning. Try gently blowing into the charging port to remove the dust and debris. If the charging port is still clogged, take it to a professional to be cleaned. And after that, you just need to simply reboot your device. You just need to simply press the power and volume down buttons until the device restarts, and after rebooting, your problem might be fixed. Or else you can simply update your software. Open up your settings, and under settings you need to go with the software update, and you can go with download and install. Once you've installed, your problem might be fixed. Or you can also go and try a wireless charger. That might fix your problem. Or you can simply go and run your phone in safe mode. So press and hold the power button or button combination you use to turn off your device until the power off screen appears. Tap and hold the power off icon until the option of safe mode appears. Then tap on the safe mode. The device will switch on in safe mode, and safe mode will be displayed on the bottom left of the screen. And you can go and charge your device. And these are the fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.